I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
Hey everyone, today I'm making Texas shotgun shells, the ultimate party appetizer. These are bacon-wrapped sausage and cheese-filled manicotti shells that are smothered in barbecue sauce and smoked to perfection. Trust me, once you try these, you'll want to make them for every gathering. Let's be honest, we've all been to parties where the appetizers are, well, forgettable. Same old chips, same old dip, same old veggie plate. If you want to serve one dish that will have everyone asking for more, you need something that stands out, something bold, cheesy, and packed with flavor. That's where Texas shotgun shells come in. They're not just unique, they're absolutely delicious. Smoky bacon, melted cheese, and rich barbecue sauce. What's not to love? Plus, they're easy to make. Let me show you how. First, let's start with the filling. You'll need Italian sausage, sharp cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, cream cheese, some jalapeno peppers, and barbecue rub. Mix everything together until it's fully incorporated. The cream cheese helps keep it rich and creamy. Don't overmix it. You want it to be just combined, so be gentle when you're mixing. And don't be afraid to get creative with your ingredients. Want to add some diced onions or different peppers to the mix? Go for it. The beauty of Texas shotgun shells is that they're completely customizable. Next, take your uncooked manicotti shells and carefully stuff them with the sausage mixture. Don't overpack them. You want the filling evenly distributed. I'm using a large food storage bag with the corner cut off to pipe the mixture into the shells. Once stuffed, wrap each shell with a thin slice of bacon. First wrap the ends, then wrap the rest of the shell. Use thin-cut bacon so it crisps up evenly. Place the bacon-wrapped shells on a wire rack with a baking sheet or cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil underneath. Sprinkle each shell with barbecue rub and cover with plastic wrap. If you need a good recipe for a barbecue rub, there's a link in the description below. Refrigerate the shells for 4 hours to soften the pasta shells. At this point, you can smoke them at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Turn them over and cook for another 30 minutes. Then, for crisp bacon, raise the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 more minutes. When the bacon is golden and crispy, brush on some barbecue sauce for that perfect sweet and smoky glaze. After another 10 minutes, they're ready to come off the heat. Check the internal temperature of the shells using an instant read meat thermometer. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Texas shotgun shells are the ultimate party snack. They're easy to make, packed with bold flavors, and always a crowd pleaser. You can find a link to the recipe in the description below. I have a new cookbook coming out. Go to my website at amzn.to and sign up to get notified when it becomes available. No spam, I promise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.